Go that way. Hey, 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 what's up, girlie? Tell me your name and where you're from.
My name's Charleigh. I'm from Scottsboro.
And what are we doing today?
We are skydiving.
We're going skydiving! Are you ready for this?
I'm excited. I am ready.
All right, anything you want to tell anybody? Family, friends, anybody at home that decided they didn't want to come?
I don't know. I'm just excited. I'm here with my best friend Tori, and so we're cashing in a Christmas present from a couple years ago. So
good deal.
We're just excited.
You ready to go make some magic happen?
We are.
What did you think of that?
That was awesome.
Was it good?
It was.
You're speechless?
Yes, I'm very speechless.
Out of breath?
Yes, but it was so good.
It was so worth it, right?
Yes.
Hey, thanks for coming out, Chattanooga.
Thank y'all.
I'm
Thank y'all so much.
See you again next time.